Hello guys, this is Murali Krishna Kagliti and I'm going to explain my Bolt IoT project. This is my Bolt IoT project on create an quiz game to output should be shown as an in whether or in the quiz game for example for a question if the answer is correct answer, as it is correct, it will be noted as a correct, and if it is wrong answer it will be wrong. For the we are just creating and different types of questions, and different types of questions we are uploading different types of questions. And for the for example in any any exam you just having a different we just seeing the quiz questions, in that purpose only the our code is also be written. The code is also in the creating a question, and it is been an answer for the creating. I just used the HTML and the JavaScript for the written my for the writing of my code, and this is my code. And okay, let's see my code. In this code I just written on the HTML section. This is my HTML section up to here, as here. And next that is my JavaScript. JavaScript is the language for the it is used as an whether the output what our output should be clarified for the what the question is. The question the answer is which answer is correct. We have the declaration. For the declaration of the answer we just using this scripted language JavaScript for the for this code. I just used this and come to our code, and I just used the legendary field set. You are seeing this legendary field set. The output should be in a box sentence, and box sentence means we can we just see that output should be in a field set. We just see the output in the field set, and this is our question. So I just use a div class for the our every where the div class. Our questions will be in one form, only one session. In the one session I just use in a div class. I just using the one class method at here. This class method declaring the I just use it this as at here. I just written there override here for the style attribute using v session for the color of the every instant of letter as in this color only. This is my output what I have declare. I just use it to change this to yes. Okay, and next coming to the body session, I just written all my code HTML code in the body. Is the different types of questions I just in the h1 tag for the heading the question for the question and the answer, and the different types of options for the h3 tag. And answer will be an answer either input type text type, and I just use it an id, and with this id only I just go in for the scripted. And with the script just at here can you see that is where a equal to document dot get element by id. I just add the app one id. I just refer for I just coming to this and app you just checking the value of if a if the I know that the answer is b for that, but the which one is of the for the client side we are they are checking for the if they given a wrong answer, if it is given like an if we given only b or capital B, whether it will be G or a capital B, anything it may be. If we given a equal to b or a equal to capital B, alert message it just here see we see then alert message at here as an alert correct, and else it is will be a wrong try again. This is my code for the every question. I just write it in different IDs, app1, app1, app2, app3, app4, different IDs and different IDs. We just go in for this and checking the every instant of the for the every question. And hence you can see that question one it just goes for on click for the question one. It just goes for the value for the check and id app1 text the button and type is equal to text at. And see when we inserted then insert message, the id app input type is equal to button value equal check. How many sizes headers are available? This is my question here. How many sizes headers are available in HTML with the default? In the session, what you know that the headers are 6. While given only the option D, it will be a valid question. It just check it as a validation for the validation purpose. So, for the validation purpose, we just go on for the question 3. Yes, if it is going to be only y equal to D, y equal to capital Z, it is correct message. otherwise it will be a wrong. Try again. In this purpose our code is running. Let's see how the output will be running on going to the default browser as going to default browser. Yes, here we see that how the output will be, and you see that every question what is the smallest header in the HTML by default. We know the smallest header is h6 is the smallest header. Option B, you can click it. Checkbox is a checkbox. You just see that the space is the correct message. This is the alert box message will be displayed like this. And okay, you just go on from the yes and go on for the next question. The option is what does the abbreviation of HTML stand for? Hypertext markup language. This is the answer. Whether we, when you give the wrong answer, option C, yes, it will be says like wrong. Try again. Yes, when you can see this wrong, try again, and you go for okay and go for A and click it. This way says correct, as it is correct answer. This is how the code will be going running on. Okay, thank you.